Hey guys, we are making pine gel, guys. So now in here is 20-liter SDBS, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dye, guys. So we are mixing SDBS and dye. We are mixing pine gel, guys. We are mixing pine gel, 20 liter of pine gel. So we pour 20 liter of SDBS. So yeah. So 1 liter pine oil, guys. 1 liter pine oil. So now is 20 liter SDBS, 5 teaspoon dye, 1 liter pine oil, and then we mix it together. And you don't just take and pour everything inside, guys. You put it bit by bit. You put a little bit, mix it together, a little bit again, and mix it together. See, here we go, and then mix it together, mix it, and mix it. So guys, please, can you please order? Mix it. Can you please, guys, subscribe? Because wow, this is stressing, guys. This, to make a video, to upload it, to make a thumbnails and whatnot, is a big job, guys. So please support me, subscribe. I'm doing this for us, guys. This is a money-making machine, guys. So now I'm making a 20 liter. So if you want to start a smaller business or so, you can try. Start doing something. Here is only SDBS, dye, and pine oil. So guys, yeah, we mix it together. So guys, in my previous video, I did SDBS, but if you want to buy it, you can just buy it and then come to mix. So now you see, guys, it's coming together. Can you see that? It's coming right, guys. It's coming right. It's coming all right. It's coming all right. It must be thick and shiny, guys. It must be thick and shiny. See? It's coming all right. It's coming all right. Can you see that? Wow. It's coming all right. It's coming. See that, guys. What? So guys, try this. This is a money-making machine. So this is an experience from me to you guys. So yeah, it's coming okay. It's coming okay. It's coming all right. You see, starting to be thick and shiny. What? Can you see that, guys? Wow. Wow. We are mixing, guys. We are mixing it. So you see, guys, thick and shiny. Thick and shiny. Can you see that, guys? Wow. This is our pine gel, guys. This is our pine gel. Thick and shiny. If you want to see your pine gel is perfect. See there. Isakise papa. Ishebise kwano. Saka. You see? This is our perfect. You see? Wow. This is our perfect pine gel, guys. This is our perfect pine gel. Iko go dimutata ntwe. And I ke batla go tlhagisa picture ya gago. You see? Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, please support me. Please, please, please support. Order. Subscribe. And do the most. Emisa quarter, papa. And do the most, guys. So, yeah, guys. This is our pine gel experiment, guys. See? This mustn't fall. If your pine gel is this thick, it must stick there. If your pine gel is perfect. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video.